Thirikari nandi nitikiritie antu kurima mitune na aria gutena miti mingi nabo bakiandaga miti na kumimenyera mwanke kure bubuni kuringana na ngwataniro ya thirikari nene na rwangi rwa kigina kia gutethereria urimi nikio IFAD. Akirita ntumiri ije minister wa urimi na ndethia mithika LINTURI uria bakuthingatene na munini wa rwangi ru rira bakuriungirite kaunti Embu augite ati thirikari igatethereria arimi na MBEU fertilizer na kinya ITHAKA nkuruki Biakûria untubura nawe munene wa IFAD augite bagatethereria kurwana na mpanga ya MPARA Kenya. Rita Mwaniki na Ntetweje nkuruki.
Ari njira imwe ya kuongerera irio iria irakurwa bururi-ri, thirikari nene igwatanirite na International Fund for Food Agricultural Development niyo IFAD ni magwatirite arimi kurima mitituri. Thiini wa mutito wa Njukiri miena iria itari na miti mirasa muno, arimi aria matari na migunda ingi ya kurima ni mavota kugairwa mitito ino na kurima mbembe, mboco na waru. Kuringana na minister wa urimi bururi-ri niwe Mithika LINTURI arauga ino ni njira mbega ya kuthiria yura bururi-ri na uguo kwirira arimi aya ati imerambuku ni makora makigwata utethio wa mbegu cia kirathi kia iguru vamwe na fertilizer niguo kumatethia urimi-ri wao.
Seated in a forest which has been brought down, which has brought together our farmers in groups. They've grown trees, they've reclaimed land for agriculture through this project, and where our farmers are growing food. And in my view, it's a very good idea worth remembering, and really support or thank the farmers, because through this project they are seriously contributing towards bringing down our food budgeting deficit out of this project. So
murandi uyu uria wambiriirwe ni IFAD ni utethetie arimi kugwata umithio makiria na gukirira muturireri wao, na varia president wa ruvonge ruru nthingima niwe Alvaro Lario arauga ati ni makorwa magitambia utethio wao miena ngurani ya kaunti ya Embu.
A great investment, seeing some of the benefits of having this number of trees, also for a lot of families and part of the communities being able to support in terms of food security, and also selling some of the excesses to also fund also their children going to school and also having an increased income. So for us it has provided a social inclusion as well the preservation of many of the natural resources which are very key for the Kenyan government and for IFAD.
Mwenari wake governor wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Sisiri Mbarire ni urerera arimi aya na aria engi utethio kuma kuri kaunti varia maukura na thoko tayari ya miti iria marendia.
Ni twetikaniria na gikundi giki kia Njukiri tondu mai na miti 100,000 twina project turambiriria ya kuvanda miti kuma mbura ino yukite na mbesa si budgetire tuvetwe mbesa ni World Bank na singi ni county government. Miti ya mbere tukagura nino yao twamera mai mimenyerere nigetha tuke tugure na ni tukuria andu onthe Embu county aria mai na miti. Tafadhali me register na ward administrators nigetha tuvote kumenya andu aria mai na miti either ni grupu kana ni andu individual tuvote kugura miti yo tuvande.
Mariti miario ino mari mwena wa mutito wa Njukiri kuria president wa IFAD mari na minister wa urimi na governor wa kaunti ya Embu macererete mirandi ngurani ya Apatana Catchment Natural Resources Management Project. Ngiripotra Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.